Good morning, boys and girls, teachers, and staff, and today is Tuesday, September 25th of 2018. Do have a couple morning announcements today, so we'll finish up with some of our September birthdays. So we have actually 3 September birthdays left to announce, and 2 of them are today. So we have LaShira's birthday, we have then Jamien's birthday. So happy birthday to both of you. And there's only one person left for birthdays that I have on my list that will be for the 26th. So, but happy September birthdays to all of you. Our lunch choices. We have hot dog today, beef nachos or turkey and cheese wrap, along with baked beans and veggies and fruit and milk, of course. Always milk. Always have milk. And then for our pause, this is our last week to do examples, and then next week we'll go into role play. But I have 3 boys here who did some great examples this time for our pause.
Alright, boys and girls, this is our last week of examples for pause, and then next week we'll go into some role-playing situations again. So this week I have 3 boys with me from Mrs. Lake's class who have great examples about what you should do in certain situations, especially in how it reflects on pause.
Be kind, because others will be kind if you be kind to them. Don't bully others, because they'll get sad. Don't try to be first in line.
Those are all great examples, so thank you very much, boys, for those examples for today.
All right, and at this time, let's please take a moment of silence. Thank you. And if you could please stand for our Pledge of Allegiance.
All right, boys and girls, it's time for our Pledge of Allegiance. So please make sure that you're standing. Have your hand over your heart. I pledge
allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Great job, boys. Thank you very much for helping out with the Pledge of Allegiance today. All right, boys and girls, it's Tuesday, so let's make some great choices today. Let's remember our pause, and remember, it's up to you. You make the choices. You decide on what kind of day you're going to have. So let's make it a great one.